Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sharkoon, new AK3 ATX and MK3 Micro-ATX PC cases. So friends, Sharkoon has announced the AK3 RGB. It comes with front panel that has been designed to optimally support the airflow inside the case by allowing the easy entry of air from the outside and total of up to 11 fans. Have room in AK3 RGB, four of which are already pre-installed, and three addressable 120 mm RGB PWM fans are located behind the front panel. An identical fan is on the rear panel, and those who prefer water cooling will also apply to happy with the AK3 RGB as two radiator with up to 360 mm can be simultaneously operated if required. And apart from the conventional Mini-ITX, Micro-ATX and ATX mainboard, the AK3 RGB is also compatible with almost all PTA format on the market, and to connect a wide range of mobile and peripheral devices, the AK3 RGB has a modern TRRS and USB-C port on the front top panel. In addition, controller provides the connection and operation of up to 4 RGB LED components, while also serving as a hub for up to 4 PWM fans. And the inside, the AK3 RGB has been designed to accommodate large graphics card with length of up to 41 cm, while the mounting is supported by a rubber surface graphics card holder. And in addition, CPU cooler with height up to 17 cm can be installed, as well as power supply unit with length of up to 23.5 cm, and there is an installation space for of up to 3.5 inch HD, 3.5 inch HDD and for 2.5 inch SSD. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.